Hello, welcome everybody to channel Sube. Today I am going to discuss question number 12 of 2019 Physics MCQ paper, new syllabus. Which of the following statements regarding the X-ray production in common applications is incorrect? First one, two circuits are used in the X-ray production system. Second one, anode could be damaged due to the bombardment of electrons. Third one, low voltage is sufficient to heat the cathode. Fourth one, energy of the X-rays emitted depends on the current through the filament. Fifth one, X-ray tube must be evacuated to avoid the energy loss of electrons. So children, I have drawn a diagram of X-ray tube with two circuits, both circuits. So there is a circuit to light up this filament. Just about 12 volt is enough for this task using batteries or DC voltage. So there is a switch. So current, when the switch on, the current pass through these wires, and this filament is heated by the current, and this filament glow up emitting electrons. Just it light up like a electric bulb. Then when this switch is on, positive voltage is applied to this target. So this one is negative. So a huge voltage, 100 kilovolt, 10 power 5 volt, that means a huge voltage, positive voltage is applied to this target. So what happens when this filament is glowing? The electrons, due to heat, electrons emit the filament. So those electrons are charged negatively. Since this target is charged positively, it has a positive voltage. So what happens? These electrons are sucked, accelerated to this way by this target. Actually we can say sucked by this target. So therefore they bombard on this target with a huge velocity and dip into this material. They dip into the material. So then due to that, X-ray photons are released, emits from this target. X-ray is produced like that. So that is the way X-ray is produced. So let us check the answers given. Two circuits are used in, that is correct. Two circuits are used because one is to just heat up the filament, the other is to accelerate electrons to the target. So the first one is correct. Anode could be damaged due to the, yes, anode could be damaged. Not only the anode, cathode also damaged, because we know the filament bulbs, after using several times, the filament is evaporated, and the bulb, inside surface of the bulb, we can see black color vaporized metal we can see around the bulb. So filament also get damaged, it evaporates. So that is correct. Due to bombardment of electrons, the targets both damaged to bombardment of electrons. The anode could be damaged, that is correct. This one correct, this one also correct. Low voltage is sufficient to heat the cathode. Yes, that is correct. Just you have to light up this bulb. This is actually, this one is a bulb. This one is a bulb. So to light up this bulb, 12 volt is enough. So that is also correct. This one also correct. Then energy of the X-rays emitted depends on the current. That is wrong. Current through the filament, that is wrong. the energy of the X-ray is dependent on this voltage, because the high voltage between this cathode and anode is what accelerates these electrons. So energy is given by QV, because V is the energy for 1 coulomb, so multiplying it by total number of coulombs, total energy is given. So here the charge of an electron should be substituted to this equation, and the voltage is this one, this huge voltage. So that is wrong. Therefore energy is determined by the applied this big voltage to the anode. So that is wrong. Therefore that is therefore wrong. Which one? Fourth one is wrong. X-ray tube must be evacuated to avoid the energy loss of air. That is correct. All the air particles should be removed from this container, because otherwise the collision occur, electrons collide with these air particles and scatter here and there. So the intensity will be, everything will be upset. So therefore evacuation must be done. So this is correct, evacuated to avoid the energy loss of electrons. So this one is correct. So now the answer is fourth one. It is obvious, this one is the answer for this question. So thank you very much, children, for watching my videos. Keep watching my videos again and again, and give me a little help by subscribing my channel. Don't subscribe twice, then it will be cancelled. So see you tomorrow. Goodbye.